Welcome to the review of the Panasonic X1 4K camcorder. I'm just going to show you how good the autofocus is. I think it's really quite good actually. Might not show you this. Isn't that's really fast. It's very smooth as well, which is really good. So there we go, fantastic. The one thing about the X1 is its autofocus. It seems to strike people very well, and here's a wee sample of what I did in Glasgow city centre. The one thing I love about the Panasonic cameras is the ability to go up and down your dBs. You're not stuck with this usual 3, 6, 9 nonsense. You can go from 9 to 0 and any in between, which I think is fantastic. Well, let's go over and do some low light testing. I'm going to put the camera on 9 dBs. This is a camera with plenty of choice, basically from Full HD, UHD and 4K. Now only when you choose 4K does the camera has to reset itself, which is great. And of course UHD 50p 150 megabits a second, absolutely brilliant. So I'll give you some of the thoughts about the camera itself. I love the fact it's once again an inbuilt lens cap here. That's the way all cameras should now be. Absolutely fantastic. Once again, obviously got a 20 times zoom. Now my only slight problem with the 20 times zoom is it starts at f2.8. So in low light conditions, obviously you get an extra stop if it was f1.4 or f1.8. But that's a minor detail. I love the fact all these switches are where they should be. You get gain, white balance, etc. I love this rubber. I know it sounds a bit silly, but it's actually got bits of rubber on it, and including here, which I think is a great idea. Because inevitably, when you're walking about doing run and gun, you should sometimes bump the camera, and it's got these lovely rubber bits. Obviously, under here, you've got full facilities for audio, and the one thing that's important about that is this camera goes through the exact same factory as the 180. So on that basis, it's the exact same camera internally. There's been a lot of nonsense written on the internet about this camera having a different this, that and the next thing. There's only two things this camera does not have. The first thing is, as I've already said, SDI out, and the other thing is basically it doesn't have time code in, and that's the only difference between the two cameras. The actual processing board, the sensor, it's all exactly the same as the 180. So if you want to save yourself a bang load of money, basically this is the camera to go for, because it is a very good camera for the money.